अभिनव अकॅडमी जाफराबाद शाखेतर्फे इंग्लिश पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कॉम्पिटिशनचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते। कार्यक्रमाचे अध्यक्ष चेअरमन शुभम पालोद, प्रमुख पाहुणे म्हणून आपलं माध्यमचे संपादक राहुल गवई व अनिल वरगणे हे होते। यावेळी रणजित जाधव औरंगाबाद, दत्ता गोरे शिवना, एजी पाटील भोकरदन, आर.व्ही. पंडित, समाधान सरोदे, शुभम शुक्ला व जाफराबाद शाखेचे जाधव सर उपस्थित होते। दरम्यान एकूण स्पर्धकांपैकी आरुषी पंडित प्रथम क्रमांक, पूजा वर्गणे द्वितीय क्रमांक, संकेत भदरगे व कावेरी गाडे यांना तृतीय क्रमांक पटकावला असून मान्यवरांच्या हस्ते सर्व विजेत्यांना ट्रॉफी देऊन गौरवण्यात आले आहे।
The students are bored, frustrated, stressed and nervous. Most students, even after a year of studying English, fail to speak the language fluently. You are not alone because it's a global problem. One of my friends, she hates English. She felt that learning English is boring and stressful, and speaking English was even worse. In fact, she felt extremely nervous and sad, as so many people now think of English as a kind of injured or mental disease. Think about it. What is the case of all this misery and failure? Why do so many people fail to speak English fluently? Despite the year of study, the first and most obvious problem I found with thank you very much.
Abhinav Academy, the Institute of English Speaking Course, and topic has given me to present here the power of pleasure reading. There is no secret to reading in English. In fact, the answer could not be simpler. You need to read books in English that are interesting and fairly easy to you. You need to read them every day, and you need to read a lot of. Then it turns out that volume is the key to improvement with reading. In other words, the key to better English is to read more pages every day and more books every month. Choosing extremely difficult book is counterproductive. Some learners think they will improve faster, but the opposite is true. The best reading material are ones you can read without the use of dictionary. Compelling content is also vital. You must choose books that are extremely interesting to you. Of course, this will be different for everyone. If you love science, then you should read easy books about science and science fiction. If you love comics book, then you should read your favorite easy comics books in English.